Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Rosmalisa. You can call me Teacher Rose. I am your new English teacher. So for today's class, we are going to learn about phonic sound. Let's start. So here are the learning standards for today's lesson, which are reading and writing. For the learning objectives, we have 3 learning objectives to be achieved. The first one is recognize and sound out, which you have to sound out the word. And then for the complementary, you have to write down and copy the letters correctly. Here are 2 activities for today. The first one, you have to read and say the sound with me. And then the second one, you have to draw and write the letters in exercise activity later on. Okay, so for the introduction, for this phonic sound, it is called as trigraph. Trigraph. Trigraph is the word that has 3 letters. For example, A, I, R, but it makes one sound. A, I, R. The sound is A. 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 A, I, R. A. That is what we call trigraph. Okay, so today we are focusing on the sound of A. So, let's look at for number 1. Air. Say with me. Air. Air in bahasa is udara. Air. Now, let's look at the second example. Hair. Okay, class, how to say the sound for the first word, the first letter. Sorry, for the first letter. Okay. H. H. So you can feel the air here. H. H. Air. Hair. Hair. This is my hair. Hair in bahasa is rambut. Okay, well done. Let's move to number 3. Pear. 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 How to make the sound for the first letter? P. P. You will feel the last air here. P. P. Air. Pear. P. Air. Pear. I have a pair of gloves. I have a pair of gloves. Okay, let's move to number 4. Fair. Have you been to fair before? Yes, of course. Fair. 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 How to make the sound for the letter F? No air feel at your hand. Air. Fair. Air. Fair. Fair in bahasa is pestaria. Now let's move to the last word. Okay, can you tell me what is this picture? Okay, very good. In bahasa it called as tangga. So how to make the sound for the first letter S? Yes, very good. Like snake, right? Second one, T. Okay, T. Okay, you pull up your shoulder a bit. T. Okay, air. Okay, let's read with me. T. Air. Stairs. 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 I stress on S because we have S at the end of the word. Stairs. Stairs in bahasa is tangga. Okay, so that is all the examples that I show you about phonic sound of air. The first one is very good. Air, udara, air. The second one, hair. The sound of H just now. Hair, pear, fair, and stairs. Please remember those 5 words and sounds, okay? So now let us try to do some exercises. Okay, before we start, I want you to prepare your 3 lines exercise book and also a pencil to write down the word that I utter later on. Okay, are you ready? Now, let's try. Okay, remember, before you start to write down your activity, you have to write down the day and date. Okay, be careful with your writing. Make sure it is right in neat and legible print. Okay, write down the date, 5th February 2021. Okay, don't forget to write down the title too. Phonic sound of air. Okay. This is how you gonna write in your exercise book. Okay, number 1. Draw and write. Draw a picture of chair. How to draw a picture of chair? Okay. Just draw as fast as you can and write down the word chair. How to write the word letter ch? Okay. Ch, air, chair. Make sure you write it in space given in the exercise book. Okay, for number 2, listen to my voice. I'm gonna read out the next instruction. Okay, for number 2, draw and write the word pear. Pear. Air. Pear. Okay, draw a picture of pear that you watched in the video in the slide before. Okay, got it? Okay, next, number 3. Hair. 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 Draw a picture of hair and write down the word hair. Okay, next, number 4. Stairs. 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 Okay, last one. Air. 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 Okay. So, I repeat again. The first picture is chair. The second one is pear. Number 3, hair. Number 4, stairs. And lastly is air. So don't forget to screenshot the picture of your task, of your job, and then send to my WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Goodbye and have a nice day.